Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume our revise in your book Connect from lessons 4 till the end of the book. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, I will start from revising from unit 4 till the end of the book. Here we have in this unit, we talk about looking for. We have some vocab, we talk about it. Looking for means search, math book, homework, all of us know it. Find, where to ask about place, what to ask about something. I think I explained the keywords of questions, form of questions, and when we use it. In previous video, you can return to the previous videos and remind with what I told during these videos. Here we have where to ask about place, what to ask about something. Here we have know and don't know me when I don't know something. Okay. Here is what is in your living room. We know the living room and the and things that we can see in living room, like lamp, chair, couch, clock, cupboard, bookcase, table, and television. This is the living room. I will repeat again. Here we have lamp, chair, clock, couch, cupboard. We have couch, and sometimes we say couch, and sometimes we say sofa, written like this, sofa. This is the same meaning of this word. Okay, have sofa, and we have couch. Both are correct. Both both give the same meaning. Here we have cupboard, bookcase, table, television, armchair. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here in this part, we say what's your in living room. We can write what they told in the previous page. Write it here. Okay, I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here we have some prepositions. Let's know it. Here we have on, behind, between, next to, and I would like to say that the expression next must be followed by to. Next to, it would be this is the expression must written like this. When we see to, you do without thinking, you put next. We have in front of, but here it isn't available here. Okay, when we say in front, of is followed by in front. Okay, we have some propositions must be related with each other, like next to and in front of. Okay, here we have there is a lamp on the table. There is an armchair next to the cupboard. Next to the cupboard, there is a bookcase behind the table. There is a television between the armchairs. The armchairs. Okay. Let's continue. This is what we see in the living room. I will answer the question, the general question related to this unit. Okay. Here we have how can you help at home? In home, how can you help? I feed the cat or the pet. That if we have a pet in my home, I feed it. I cut the vegetables. I sweep the floor like this one. I make my bed or I tidy my bed. Both are correct. I make my bed. Here I set the table with my mother. Okay. Here we have this part is related to mathematics. We must know times, 8 equals, and so on. Multiplication table, as we know, the multiplication table. Here is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. If we say 3 times 2, it will be 6. Okay, this is the timetable. Here we have 3 times 5. It will be what? It will be here 15. It will be 15. Means 3 is added 5 times. Okay, here is 3 times 6. It would be 18. Here is 21. Okay, this is the timetable. If you keep the timetable, you can do it. Okay, here is 20 and here is 8. Here we have 24. You say, Miss Iman, you are keeping the timetable. You must keep it because it's not difficult to keep it. Okay, here we say 4 times 3 equals 12. It means what? Means the 3 is added 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Here we have 6. Here we have 6. So 6 plus 6, it will be what? It will be 12. Okay, here is 2 times 4. So 2 added how many times? 4 times. So it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2. I will make this. This is the video. This video is replaced without replaced from English to mathematics. Okay, here is 2 plus 2 equal 4, and here is 2 plus 2 equal 4. So is the answer? It will be 8 here. Excellent. 8. You are clever people. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have divided means that number divided to divide, like we have plus and minus are opposite. Here we have divided is the opposite of multiplying. When we say 5 times 2 equals 10. When you say 10 divided by 2 or 10 divided by 5, it will be 2. 20 divided by 4 or 20 divided by 5, it will be what? It will be 4. If we say 20 divided by 4, it will be 5. Here is 16 divided by 4. Who can answer me? It will be here 4. 30 divided by 3. Which number that I make a times then equals 30? It will be 10. It will be 10 times 3. It will be 30. 10 times 3. I will have 0 here, and 3 times and 1 is the marrow. So I put 30 here, so it will be 30. 18 divided by 6, it will be what? It will be 3. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have pair, means pair of something. We say pair of shoes, pair of socks, and so on. Hair, bird, this is called bird. Ear, he has red hair and a white bird. This is a clown. It has black ears. We have new chair in the living room. Here we talk also about we talk also about the punctuation mark, which is comma, and when we write something, we put the comma instead of like this. I love playing cards, collecting magnets, and listening to music, like this sentence. I eat bananas, orange, and apple. Okay, this is the timetable as we explained here. Natural resources in Egypt. Okay, we'll talk about it. Here we take sand from desert. We add chemicals to sand. Then we put everything in the bowl. We melt sand and chemicals to make liquid. So we shape. So here we want to say that the sand used in making what? In making or manufacturing glass. Okay. We can make many things from glass. Like what? Like glasses. We make glasses. We make windows. We make from glass. Many things made. Have many things that made of glass. Here we have iron ore. This is iron ore. Rock, melt, chemicals. Okay. Here is knife, spoon, paper clips, bike, and nails. Okay. And talk about this next class that we attract magnets. That these things attract magnets. Let's answer the general exercise here. Here we have Egypt has many what? Has many natural resources. We can make space from sand. We can make glass. Excellent, you are clever people. We can melt sand and chemicals to make what? To make melt chemical to make. So here is solids. Melt to make many things to make liquid. To make a liquid. This one. To make a liquid. This one. Liquids. We put sand and chemicals in a bowl. Here is we take sand from what? From desert, as we know. Here is chemicals. Here is melt. Here is chemicals. Here is melt. Here is ear. Here is ear. Here we have ear, lamp, and equal. I write some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is melt. Here is melt. Written like this, melt. Here is melt. Here is ear. Here is lamp. Here is lamp. And here is what? Here is equal. Okay, here is equal. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have here we talk about the living room. What's in the living room? There is an armature. So I'll select this number C by number 1. There is a lamp on the table. The lamp is on the table. Our clever people. We can make glass from what? From sand. Excellent. From number 3 by number A. What is the bike made of? It's made of metal. So I select number B by number 4. Egypt has many natural resources. Number 5 by number E. Okay. Here is I swap the floor. We make knife from metal. 2 times 3 equals, as we know, 2. This is 2. I will write it in numbers. 2 times 3. This is 3. This is 3. Written like this. 3 written like this. It will be 6. I space vegetables. I cut vegetables. Here is there is a space in the living room. Chair. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Glass is made of what? Of sand. So is made of sand. Is right or wrong? Right. So I put here right. I put right here. Paper clips are made from motor. Wrong. Sure, wrong. I make the table. Yes. Here is I say I make the table, or I set. No, here is not make. Set the table, not make the table. To be set the table, make the bed. So this is wrong. Another one here. Egypt has many natural resources, like to be right. 4 times 2, it will be 10. Is it right? Wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Why? Because 4 times 2, it will be what? It will be 8. So I omit this one and write the correct. It will be here 8. Not it will be 8, not 10. 10 is wrong. Okay. I don't help my family. This is wrong. Let's continue the rest of the exercise of the unit. Here we have unit 5 at the zoo. At the zoo. Let's continue. Here we have animals. We have zoo. How about one good idea? Here we have lion, elephant, giraffe, penguin, hippo, panda. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is panda. My favorite animal is hippo. Here is what about, and must be followed by the gerund like this. What about going? What about playing? How about, sorry, no, here is how about playing? How about going? How about how about anything? How about going? How about how about playing? How about how about reading? All these means we must be, how about must be followed by the gerund like this sentence. Let's must be followed as we know before with what? With must be followed by infinitive form. This called suggestion. This called what? Called suggestion. This called suggestion. Okay, this called suggestion. This called suggestion. Okay, suggestion. Here we have how about going? How about here's about going means here what? Here is gerund here. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Where to ask about what? Where to ask about places. Where is or are? Where is the lion? Where are the lions? Where is the penguin? Where are the penguins? Where is the panda? Where are the pandas? Here is go straight, turn right, turn left. Where does and do does with singular and do with plural. Okay. What does the elephant leave? What do elephants leave? Here we have do with what? With plurals, and does with singular, as we see here. Does the lion leave? Where do the lions here have S here? What does the giraffe leave? Where do the giraffes have S here? Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have habitat. Habitat means have another meaning. It's called environment of any animal. This is the environment or the environment of any animal. We say habitat. Habitat and environment. Both are means the place that the animal live in. Like what here? Where does the elephant live? Lives in what? In the grasslands. Where does the panda live? In bamboo forest. Here is in grassland. We have lion, we have giraffe, we have elephant. Okay. Here we have panda lives in bamboo forest. Okay, this is the place the panda live. Hippo live in lake. Penguin live in next to the sea. Here we have question. What does the lion live? Live in what here? Live in as we know it in grassland. Giraffe live in what? Giraffe in but also grassland. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here, here we have in this part we talk about fractions. Here is half, here is third, here is quarter, here is fifths. As we told you before, that the less than in fraction like this, numerator and denominator, like this. Like we say here half, a quarter. So the half is bigger. Here is we have quarter and fifths. Here is fifths and quarter. So here is the quarter is bigger than fifths. Okay, as we know this. Okay. Here we have happy earth. We have here happy earth. Here we have some things that we have here: planting, recycling, sorting trash, all these things that we do it to make our environment clean or make happy earth. Planting, recycling, sorting the trash means putting the garbage, every sort of garbage in different trashes. Okay, here sorting trash, polluting the river. Here polluting the river is not make the earth happy. Polluting cities do not make the earth happy. Here is riding bike, reusing as the same meaning of recycling. Okay, going by car. Here is a plastic, paper, and glass, and so on. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is how can we help animals? We help animals by what? Put water and food on your balcony for birds. Clean animals' habitats with your friends. Plant flowers to help bees. Recycle glass, paper, and plastic. Don't put plastic in the sea. Here we have photo, white, elephant, wall. Here we have photo, white, elephant, wall. This is the vocab related to this unit. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have, I would like to answer the general question related to this part. The wall live in what? Live in what? Live in, all of us know that the walls live in what? Lives in, sorry, the wall is what is, here is the wall is white. So I select this one by this one. The elephant lives in what? As we know it, lives in grassland. So I select number 2 by number D. How about going to the penguins? This one. So as we told you that how must be followed by the gerund like this. How number 3 by number A. Are clever people. Let's watch the lines. Good idea. Number 5 by number B. The giraffe has what? Has long neck. Why they have long neck? To eat the grass from the trees. So this long neck help the giraffes to do what? To eat grass from the tree. So number 6 by number 5. Where are the hippos? Where are the hippos? Where are the hippos? Where are the hippos? Here we have hippos. Where are the hippos? There isn't the place that hippos live here. I will leave this one, okay? So I answered until this, and I will leave this one, okay? The wool is white and what? White and black. The white and black. The wool is white and black, as we know here, as we see here, the wool. The wool here is white and black. The wool here is white and black, as we know it. You see, white and black. Oh, here is, sorry, sir. Here is white and black. So the wool is white and what? White and black. So the wool here is white and black. Not red, not green. The penguin lives in what? By what? By the penguin live in by the sea. Don't put space in the sea. Don't put put plastic in the sea. This one. Space flowers to help the bees. Plant. The line it's what? It's meat. Space are penguin. So I ask here about place. So the answer to be, where are the penguins? Here is, the lion is big and brown. It lives in the grasslands in Africa. It eats meat. The lion is small and white. Wrong. So the answer here, it will be wrong. Why? Because here is big and brown. The lion eats meat, right? As we know that lions eat meat. The lion lives in the bamboo forest. No, not in bamboo forest. In what? In the grasslands. The lion is big and brown. Lion is big and brown. It's right. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have rewrite. Here we have subject plus verb plus object. As we know it, this rule, I think this rule is not difficult now to do it. So the answer it will be what here? The elephant. So I will start with subject, the elephant. Leaves. So the elephant. Where is the verb leaves? Leaves what? The elephant lives in the grassland. I will answer 2 sentences and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. The elephant lives in the grassland. Okay. Here we have. Where is here? What is the sentence? What can I do this sentence? Here is the giraffe is the subject. We have here the giraffe. Giraffe. Where is the verb here? Has what? A long neck. Has a long neck. Has would be has here. Has a long neck. A long neck. Has a long neck. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Here what can I do? As we told you before that when we make a question, I will place the verb in instant what? In instant of the subject. We can say replace, we can say scissors, as we know during the explaining in your classroom. Both are correct. Means I would like to say something only that in the question form, we replace the verb in instant of subject. Like we say, where it will be, where are the pandas? So the answer it will be, so the question to be, where are the pandas? Okay, here is the, I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay, now we know the rule and you can do the rest by yourself. I explained you how to do the question form, and now I think it's easy to do the rest of the exercise. Let's go to the last revise on unit 6 on this unit, and by this unit we end from our book. We want from revising our book. Here is we have circus, there is, tent, look like. Look like means the same. Fade, thin, tall and short. Tall and short is the opposite adjectives. Okay, clown, dog trainer, tarbis artist, judger. This is the judger. This is the person that we see in circus. Dog trainer, tarbis artist, judger, ring master, acrobat, fat and thin. Fat and thin are the opposite adjectives. So we have fat and thin, and we have tall and short. Both are opposite. Okay. What does he or she look like? So here, what does the clown look like? Short and fat. What does the dog trainer look like? She is young and beautiful. What does the acrobat look like? She's wearing blue. Okay. Here we have quadrilaterals. I think we took this in mathematics. Quadrilateral means the shapes that have 4 sides. Has 4 sides. 4 sides are equal, 4 angles and 4 corners. This square, rectangle, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This called rectangle, and have 4 angles and 4 corners. Rhombus, 4 equal sides, 4 angles, and they have the same, sometimes different. It has 4 corners. Here is we have this called angle, and this called right angle. This called angle, and this called right angle. Okay. This is the part that related to mathematics. Who is your favorite circus person? Why? Someone saying the acrobat. Some others say clown. Why clown? Because he is funny, and I would like to love. The dog trainer. He loves animals. The TARDIS artist. He can fly above us. The acrobat can jump and move body. Dodger through rings and balls, through rings and balls. Ringmaster, everyone at circus to say, he talks to everyone at circus, at the circus to say what is happening, okay? Here we have how many, as we took it before. I think it's not difficult. When we ask about what? Ask about numbers, okay? Let's continue the rest of the unit. The cow has a flower in its mouth. The mouse is under a cloud. He is a young, fat clown. He is at the circus. He is funny. Here we have guess, check, count, drop. We have here some words that we must know it. Guess, check, count, and drop. Okay. I will answer some of them. Here is what? Here is angle. As we know it here, angle. Fate. Here is cow, clown. Here is what? Here is square, rectangle. As we know it here during the lesson. What does a clone look like? Look like what? As we know it, the clone is this one. So I select number one by number C. I love the trainer because I love the trainer, dog trainer. Why? Because he loves animals. I select this one by this one. The square has what? Has four sides. All are equal. The square. The cow has what? The cow has what? The cow has what? Has a flower in its mouth. I select this one by this one, number 4 by number F. How many judges are there? Well, there are 4. So I select number B by number 5. The acrobat can jump and move his body. Number 6 by number D. Okay. Here we have square. Which one is square? This one and this one. Which one is rectangle? This one, this one, this one. Rhombus. This one is rhombus here. Okay. So this rectangle. I will write it here. I will read it. I will count how many square. How many square? 1, 2. So I write here 2. Here it will have 2. Here we have rectangle. How many rectangle? We have 3. Here we have rhombus. 1 rhombus. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. The rhombus has what? Has 4 sides. The mouse is space a cloud. Is a cloud. Is the mouse space a cloud? Is the space is under cloud. The mouse is what? The mouse is under the cloud. Under cloud. Okay. I love clown because it's very fun. Space does the ringmaster look like? What does it will be? What does the dog trainer is space and beautiful, is young and beautiful. I will select this one by this one. How many acrobats are there? You are clever pupils. I love the dog trainer because he space animals. He loves animals. So the acrobat can space and move his body, can jump. Will be this one. Young, and here is the dog trainer. It will be young and beautiful. Young and beautiful. It will be young and beautiful. What does he look like? The clown is short and fat. The rectangle has 4 sides. How many space are there? How many clowns are there? Will be how many clones are there? Okay. By this unit, we end from Connect book revise. I will wait you next term, second term. I hope to be done in your exam. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.